JD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs and the hobbies. And I redid my camera mount. What I did, I had one of those snake things that came down and attached to the table with a clamp. Well, I was getting a tanging noise, which I'm sure you all noticed in my videos, very annoying. What I did here is I cut about 6 or 7 inches off of that, and that is bendable. There's a lead core inside there. And what I did was I came in, I loosened these 2 screws right here, and I shoved it in there like that, and then tightened the screws down really tight so it holds the mount. And then right here, this part of it, it has this bungee cord that comes around and holds the iPhone in, and that's what I did. So and it also has a light, so I can put the light on, and I can put light onto my video when I'm doing a video. And for now it's makeshift, but it does the job. So I wanted to show you guys that in case you're looking for a combination of converting your light, desk light, to an iPhone type of system with no interruptions. This part here, I don't know why it was giving me sound when I had it clamped down to the table, and so hopefully in the next videos I won't get that sound. So I hope you like this idea. Please rate and subscribe and ring the notification bell, and thanks for watching.